Before you start, please wash your hands thoroughly. Thank you. In the top 2 drawers, you will find your syrup bag in box. Undo the fitting connecting to your empty box. Now remove. Then clean up any syrup that has been spilled. In the bottom drawer, you have storage for extra bag in box. Place the full box into the top drawer. Use your thumb to push down on the section of box marked A. Pull the tab through the gap and secure using the cardboard flap marked B. Remove the cap and lay the box flat with the tap facing the pipe. Reattach the connector. Check that the arrow is pointing towards the box that you just changed. Well done!